Assalamualaikum, my name is Tengku Alia Edira Tuan Azahan from class IM 245, and today I am going to present to you guys about my system. My system name is Customer Care Management System, CCM. Right, let's proceed to my system. The world is having a rapid changes of technology, and this is including customer care management system, which enable people to organize customer servicing as well as act as marketing platform. Customer care management helps companies stay connected to customers as well as improving the profitability in the company. With the existence of customer care management, it helps companies to manage all the company's relationship and interaction with customers and potential customers. And this system is believed to be able to give an opportunity to company to get an accurate customers and know which product they like and do not. What's good about this system is it acts as a tool that is crucial to company because it can integrate with other apps. So let's proceed to the system.
Alright, this is my customer care management system. Alright, how not a member, click here to register. We are going to start with the first things first, which is to register. I'm going to insert my name. Alright. This is just an example, so I'm going to pick any address and my phone number. Alright, and then yes, we're already registered into the system, and back to the login section. Login as usual. Alright, and we are already on the next interface, which is on the dashboard, and there's a word over here like customer care management. Welcome to our new member. Welcome to customer care management. We are here to help you in IT-based field. If you have a problem with your laptop or anything that required for you to fix it, you can find us here. Click here to share with us your problem. Our clients are priority. Alright, here is the things that if you want to view your profile, to update profile, to insert your topic, products warranty, and yes, log out. Alright, I'm going to show you guys the next one. This is my profile, my picture. User profile is a page to check your details information. If there anything you want to change, click here to change and update. Which is, click here means it will going to connect you to the next one, which is update profile. Like I can just click here and then it will directly change to the update profile section. So here's my information details. So just in case if there's I wrote it like typo or anything else and I want to fix it again, so I will just update over here. And for example, I want to change my phone number. And just click and update, successfully update the profile. Click here for dashboard. And then we proceed to the topic section. So you can insert any topic like I have a problem with my laptop. Alright. Subtopic, what kind of problem like you're having. So we just insert, I have my laptop. So in this system also, it enables the user not only insert their warranty, but also they can share their thoughts or their problem regarding their electronic products or anything else. Because yeah, at the dashboard it already mentioned that they are here to help you in IT based field. It means you're not just focusing on a warranty where the users can just save uh, save the warranty just as a reminder so they can use it in the future, but also you can discuss, the user can discuss, and they can point out their thoughts regarding the IT, you know, that kind of things where it make everything easier for you. And what interesting about this system is it a worldwide use, where if this system is being used, it will connect to all people who just search this ECCM system, and they can just insert or log in their personal details. Yes, and then they can just share the thoughts over here, like alright, this topic date and topic end supposedly is automated, which it will update your topic date and your topic end. If the IT based field professional or any staff who want to respond with their user, the user will receive a notification saying that the user, the staff, or anyone who in charge is responsible to respond to their messages. And the product's warranty, alright, the username is automatically based on your information details, and the warranty code you can just see, insert your warranty code, like warranty code usually have a number on it, and since it started you need to write it because it is not automatically, and then you know, right, and then you're gonna save it and it's successfully saved. Alright, that is all from me. So I hope this system can help many, no, I mean 1,000 of people out there who has difficulties in keeping their warranty. Sometimes a mother, they just throw it away. Yes, they don't have the time to even care of the warranty, and for someone who has a problem to remember all the things like in the daily life. So this system is such a great thing. And that's all from me. Thank you.
So we have reached to our conclusion, and through this system, customer care management, it is proven that it helps, it may help, and it will help many and maybe thousands of people out there to use this system. Alright, that is all from me. Thank you.